Hey crafters, Leo with Dreaming Tree. I have something special to share with you today and wanted to take a moment to talk to you directly. Not as a business announcement, even though it is one, but more like a little life update from me to you. Over the past couple of years, I've been thinking a lot about the future of Dreaming Tree and what it looks like not just for me, but for all of you who've supported us over the years. Now, I love what I do. Honestly, everything I've ever enjoyed growing up, making music, photography, video editing, just playing around with tech, it all somehow prepared me for running Dreaming Tree. And for a long time, it felt like a perfect fit. But as time went on, things changed. Technology evolved so fast, suddenly I found myself spending more time trying to outsmart algorithms, managing ads, dealing with compliance issues, juggling social media platforms. It became a full-time job just staying afloat. I never really complained, but deep down, I remember asking God for a little help. It was just a lot. Well, a couple years ago, I got a message on LinkedIn from one of the founders of Creative Fabrica. He said he loved what we were doing and asked if I'd ever consider partnering up. And I'll be honest, I said no, more than once. But eventually, I didn't. Something just felt right. So today, I'm really excited to finally share that Dreaming Tree is officially partnering with Creative Fabrica. Now, before you worry, nothing is changing overnight. Mike, Diana, and I are still together, still doing what we love, and we're not going anywhere. Dreaming Tree is the three of us, and we'll stay that way. But over time, you'll start to see our content shift over to Creative Fabrica. That's where we'll be focusing all of our energy going forward. As a customer, this change is actually going to open up a lot of possibilities for you too. Not only will you still have access to our designs, but you'll get access to millions of other assets, including fonts, SVGs, and other creative assets that Creative Fabrica offers. One of the things I'm really excited about is their studio software. In the future, we'll be able to pull in elements from Dreaming Tree projects and seamlessly combine them with fonts and graphics from their massive library to create beautiful print and cut elements. It's going to unlock a whole new level of customization, especially for those of you who love to make projects your own. They're also working on some pretty amazing things behind the scenes, like the ability to customize 3D SVG projects using AI. And one of my favorites, a community space outside of Facebook that's reminiscent of the forums we all used when this industry was fresh, which I know a lot of us are ready for. We've put together a full FAQ section that should answer most of your questions about this transition. But if there's something we missed, or you just want to talk it through, don't hesitate to reach out. Mike or I are always here to help. I also want to share something personal. Two of the founders from Creative Fabrica actually flew all the way from Amsterdam to Illinois just to meet me and see the studio in person. We ended up spending almost 12 hours together because we clicked so well. It honestly felt like hanging out with old friends. And everyone I've worked with there has been not just kind, but genuinely smart, passionate, and excited about what they're building. That energy has made me feel like this is the right move, not just for Dreaming Tree, but for all of us. So if you've ever thought about giving Creative Fabrica a try, this is a great time to do it. You've all been incredibly supportive over the years, and your continued support means the world to me, especially as we take this next step. When I first started Dreaming Tree, I never imagined it would lead here. It's been an incredible journey, and there's no way we could have done it without your support, whether you've been with us from the beginning or just found us recently. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. We're stepping into this new chapter with gratitude, excitement, and a lot of ideas for what's next. And I really hope you'll come along with us for the ride. I look forward to crafting with you soon.